as mark of success. But our mentors remind us, if you want to be successful, don't seek the spotlight, be the spotlight. I have a different story than most of the associates in this arena. When I started USANA, I was the owner of my own company, the West Medica Pharmaceutical. Starting and running a new company is not easy. I borrowed money from a friend, I sell a small property just to raise a capital. We took all the risks just to build our business. In business, the most difficult part is taking off. Especially sa amin dati na walang pang-start na kapital. But you will never know if you can do it unless you try it. After 2 years of building my business with strong hard work, determination and perseverance, we were able to grow West Medica. Dumami po yung mga medrep namin at sila halos lahat nabigyan namin ng sasakyan. But behind our success, we're expecting na madali mag-expand. Marami palang problema. If I need to expand, I need to buy cars, buy stocks, an additional huge operational cost to my company. Sa traditional business, lumalaki ang kumpanya mo, pero lumalaki din ang gastos mo. Kaya at the end of the day, and at the end of the year, utang lahat natira sa'yo. Kaya habang tumatagal, lalo kang naghihirap. Ang totoo, kaya ko pinaglaban ang company ko kasi yung mga empleyado namin nakadepende sa amin. And gusto namin na mabigyan sila ng hanap buhay. But God has a better plan for us. It was May 2013 when my brother, my upline, Randy, called me about USANA. Kung sa executive matching bonus, may executive, siya na yun. So pwede po ba palakpakan natin yung upline ko? Ano ba siya? So my upline, Ruby Director, Randy Blanco. Come on, give him a round of applause. He deserves that kasi wala po ako dito ngayon kundi dahil sa brother ko. And I remember that day, ang sabi lang niya, Part, may napakaganda na product at maganda din daw gawing negosyo. At first, wala naman talaga kaming planong gawin ng negosyo. But the magic happens when I try the product for my severe migraine and for the health of my mother. Kasi yung mother ko po, insomnia po siya for more than 15 years. And after taking the USANA product, napansin na mo, nag-improve po yung health ng mother ko at yung health ko. Kaya doon pa lang sold out na ako. Kasi naniwala ako, pag maganda ang produkto, maganda din ang negosyo mo. Tama? At lalong tumaas ang belief namin nung naka-attend kami ng ganitong convention. At plus the power funds of Mentor Robert Frances. Kaya na-excite po kami ng gusto ng wife ko. Kaya right away, inumpisahan namin i-share ang vision ni Dr. Wenz. And with 2 months intense, after 3 months, we become gold director in USANA. Pero ngayon nga, nagmamadali. Pero okay lang. Nawala lahat ng downline namin after doon kasi wala pang masyadong alam sa training. And sabi ko, okay lang. Tanyo niyo bakit? Because when the going gets tough, Ranel gets going. And what I realized in USANA, in this business, it's not the most important gain that you have. It's not the money first, but it's the person who you become with the process. Kaya kahit mawala na lahat, hindi kami nawala ng pag-asa ni Mentor Junalyn. Kaya, again, tinrabaho namin to gain the momentum. We traveled 12 hours from Davao, from Pagadian to Davao, just to attend training almost every week for 12 hours. And after that one, and after 1 year and 6 months, we gained back that momentum and we advanced to Ruby Director in Yusana. Yun ang naging Ruby na kami. Doon na kami nakapag-isip ni Jonalyn na sabi ko, we need to make that big decision. We decided to close our pharmaceutical business, and it wasn't easy for us because kami ng wife ko, because we worked hard for it just to build our company. But again, we needed to decide which one to focus on. So I wrote a letter to the Food and Drug Administration in our region stating that much as I would like to remain in a pharmaceutical distribution business, however, it's outweighed my desire of building an empire of Yusana and helping thousands of people, transforming their lives for the best. So we didn't play it safe. As we took all the risks, as Alin Kuhin says, do not wait until the conditions are perfect to begin. Beginning makes the condition perfect! At ito po, we buried those synthetic medicines worth 5 million pesos.
My God!
When we closed the company, many people, friends, our suppliers, our customers were criticizing us, wondering why we closed the business. But instead of listening to them, I ignored the noise and focused all my energy on where I want to go in my life. Because either you hear the voice of the others or you hear the voice of your dreams. And I choose my dreams. It's either you get discouraged or you get going. Kaya doon pa lang po, we decided, kami ng wife ko, we decided, we set big goals in the next 90 days. We work Yusana so hard as if there is no tomorrow. And because of that, we gained so much momentum because of that. That is why we advanced from Ruby to Emerald, Emerald to Diamond, Diamond to 1-star, 1-star Diamond to Executive Star, all just in 90 days time. Guys, and after 6 months, we even became the 2-star Executive Diamond Director. Did I make the right choice? Did I make the right choice? If you want to fly high, give up everything that weighs you down. And next time, when people criticize you, when they say negative about you, ignore the noise and keep going. And when pressure grows, grow taller, because growth is the only evidence of life. Guided by this principle, guys. Guided by this principle, we become the #1 in growth in the country for 2 consecutive years now. And we even became the first from the Philippines to qualify to the Executive Diamond Summit to Tahiti. And I am humbled to myself to be a part of this equally competent Executive Star Diamonds who represents from the Philippines to Tahiti. Come on, palakpakan pa natin sila, guys. Come on! And this is what I realized. I realized that all the limitations that we have are the ones that we Because with God and Usana, there are no limits. Hitting 3 run advancement is not easy. I told my wife, yes, it is very hard. But guys, hear me in this. If big goals won't kill you, then do it. Because it will change you and it changed my life. Who would have thought na kung dati kami ni Jonalyn, ilan lang yung taong natulungan namin sa Pagadian, ngayon sa Usana, nationwide na, at 3 times front cover pa ng Usana magazine. At kung dati, ito lang yung kaya namin na recognition sa maliit na venue. Ngayon sa Usana, pang-international na, muwari na ba? At kung dati, ito lang yung kaya namin na travels doon sa place namin. Ngayon sa Usana, international na, may Maldives, may cruise, may Australia, at Bora Bora Tahiti ba? At guys, look at this one guys. Libre po lahat ni Usana. At ito pa guys. In love ba guys? Si Mr. Mentor Juna guys. Parang niya akong ayaw bitawan, di ba? At ito ba? Pang-international ba? Pang-international ba? Ganyan kami dito sa Usana. Maniwala ka, ganyan talaga kami dito sa Usana. Grabe. At kung dati, kami lang ng upline ko at ng asawa ko ang naniwala sa Pagadian. Ngayon, dahil ngayon sa Pagadian, these are our leaders in Pagadian and about 90% of them are my direct sponsors. Because a true leader do not create followers, but they created more leaders. Again, if you want to be successful, don't seek the spotlight. Be the spotlight. That is why I'm in Usana, because I really want to help a lot of people. I really want to be the spotlight who will inspire and transform others, help others realize their dreams.
Yes!
And today, we are 3 years and 10 months in sharing the vision of Dr. Myron Wenz. Come on, palakpakan natin si Dr. Wenz. And with Usana, I realize that Usana business, it's not just about making an income, but it's all about making an impact on other people. You have to be an impact on other people. Here's 3 points, guys. Number 1, be a visionary leader. Be a visionary leader. Do not expect others to see what you can see. Because for as long as you can see it, you can achieve it. Now 3 years ago, I have this vision that the Usana Pagadian will be the lightning rod in the entire country. That I can create great leaders who will share the same vision and passion with me. And today, it's happening.
Grabe! Woo!
Dahil sa ang Usana, napakaganda. Kasi hindi lang buhay mo ang nababago mo, pati buhay ng mga taong naniwala sa iyo. Tama? According to my mentor, Robert Francis, a vision without a heart makes a selfish leader. But a vision without a heart makes a selfish leader. A vision without
Heart without a vision.
Come on, guys! A vision with a heart makes a true leader.
Yes! Grabe!
Yes, I love you. Second, set a higher standard to your team. Your people will not grow if you will not grow. Because a leader is a learner, right? A leader is always a learner. And as a leader, I always trust, follow my mentors, listen to my mentors all the time. Always bring your team to the next level. But don't just direct, but lead them. responsible, right?
Yes.
So that is why in my team in Pagadian, I realize, sabi ko in my leaders, do not demand from your people what you cannot demand from yourself. And do not expect them to rank advance if you will not rank advance. Because a true leader knows the way, shows the way, right?
Yes.
And lastly, lead with a lion heart. A lion fights even he's alone. He will not wait for somebody else. Now 3 years ago, someone said, it is impossible to have a Ruby director in Pagadian. So I did not give them Ruby. I gave them 2-star Diamond director. Looks like this. A lion does not give in to criticism. Right?
Yes.
And 3 years ago, sabi nila, hindi kaya yan. But a lion does not turn his head when small dog barks.
Yes.
That is why, when I started Pagadian, people told us, it cannot be done in Pagadian because we only have like 100,000 population. They say it will take more than 5 years to respond. But a lion turn a jungle into a kingdom. So today in Pagadian alone, we have 12 gold directors, 2 rubies, 1 diamond, and 1 executive star diamond director. Guys, this is what I realized in the last part. This is what I realized. Listen to me, guys. Hear me in this, guys. I realized that if you build your army with 100 lions and their leader is a dog, in any fight, the lion will die like a dog. But if you build your army with 100 lions, 100 dogs, and their leader is a lion, all dogs will fight like a lion. Kaya tanong ko sa sarili nyo ngayon, tanong niyo sa sarili nyo, anong klaseng leader ka? Are you a dog